Hi, I'm Joanne Butler. When we bought this house, we weren't actively looking to move, but I saw it on the market and I just fell in love with it. So we just jumped on it and we've been here for about 11 years now. Most of the floors throughout are hardwood, but the kitchen had some obvious wear and tear spots, which I really wanted to address. Plus, the house was built in the early 90s and it was all original flooring, so refinishing was the natural choice to repair the damage that I was seeing. I also love the sustainability aspect of keeping the hardwood floors and giving them the makeover they deserved. I've been using Bona floor cleaners for as long as I've had hardwood floors. This is our third home actually, and I've always had hardwood throughout, so I knew Bona also had a suite of professional grade products as well, so it was huge that Eric is a Bona certified craftsman. What specifically hooked me on the Bona system was the dust containment. I mean, we have 2 boys at home, we have a cat, so the fact that we didn't have to leave the house during the process was just a huge selling point.
My name's Eric Luthi. We're based here at Cedar Knolls, New Jersey. We do all types of flooring. We do hardwood refinishing, carpet, tile, anything for an interior designer resource. We met Joanne, the homeowner, through one of our designers. And then we started the process of finding out what she wanted to do in her home, how she wanted to freshen it up, and floor refinishing was definitely the best option for her.
The benefit of refinishing a floor for a homeowner, it gives them more control of the colors, just from the array of Bona stains to the Bona sealers that we provide, really allows them to fine-tune it.
Well, we always ask the customers what their intentions are, what they're looking to achieve, and if they have a color in mind, we always ask for an inspiration picture of something that they've seen or they liked.
I went into this project thinking I wanted the same color. My goal was just to correct the damaged spots and have the floor just look new again, but not drastically change the color. So the first thing the team did was put down stain samples side by side, so I could see all the options.
That just gives us the starting point so we know where to start. And at that point then we start applying stains to the floor in that color family. And with Bona, it gives you the opportunity to then mix the colors, 2 part one, 1 part this, to achieve what the final desired look is for Joanne.
I actually gravitated towards a darker color that I wasn't initially expecting. So I chose the nutmeg stain, and the warmth just, gave it a beautiful feel against the brightness of my kitchen. It just worked beautifully.
Finishing a hardwood floor is a 78% carbon footprint reduction compared to replacing one. This offers a minimum of 90% savings in energy and resources.
Hardwood floors are capable of being refinished many times, and through normal wear and tear, it is the surface in your home that takes the most abuse. So it is best to use the best products and the most durable, and that's why we're Bona advocates.
For the homeowner, it provides a peace of mind that there aren't going to be any surprises along the way. Using the Bona system will guarantee that what they see from the beginning through the end will all work seamlessly.
The refinishing process was seamless, it was amazing. There was no visible dust, just like they promised. I was surprised that there was virtually no odor either. In fact, I was just sitting in the next room the entire time they were working. It was just amazing. I am so pleased with the finished product. I mean, it's exactly what I hoped for. It was better actually than I expected. The darker colors just made it feel homey and brings out the farmhouse feel that I was going for.
Oftentimes, homeowners are unaware that their hardwood floors can be refinished, or that they can change the color. Therefore, contacting your local Bona certified craftsman is the first step you should take.